Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can write reviews on the Google Map. So you can do this on your Android mobile and on your iOS, which is iPhones as well. So now let's get going with the procedure. So before you can do all this on your mobile phone, you need to turn on your location. So if you don't turn it on manually, they are going to tell you to do that when you launch the app. So now let's get going with the procedure. So when you hop on the app here, you'd have to search the business you visited, whether it's a bank, a restaurant, a bar, or anything, a store. You search it here and you're going to get the results and then you choose it. So this is for tutorial purposes. This is not anything professional here. So I'm going to use my explore nearby. Good. So I'll use this restaurant section. So this restaurant near me are loading. You can see the bar there, it's loading and it's here. So this is the search result. So let me choose let me choose Treehouse Restaurant for the tutorial. Good. So this is how it works. You can see this is a business profile. So Google owns Google Business Profile. I have a video on how you can create a business profile, very free and simple. So after creating this, you upload all images of services you provide on there, and then you add your location and the rest. That's how it works. And since it's for them, they export all that data to the map. The map is for them as well. So in this case, the map is going to help people locate these businesses. You can call, you can get directions if you are driving, and you can even get to know or see how the place looks like, and you can see their recipe. So it's like you are going to know everything about the place before you even get there. So now let's get going with the review. I think I've given you some overview of how this works. So when you tap on the review, you just give them a rating before you can write your review. So let me give them 5-star. I love the images I saw. So good. Here I can tap good. Oh, I love the service, the recipe, blah blah blah, and then you just add all of them. And now if you want to upload an image, let's say when you went there you took images of there, I think you can tap on this section here and then you upload the image and even a video. Good. So after uploading it, I think you'd come back and then you post it. So now let me post it for you guys to see. So let me tap on the post here. Good. So I've sent my review. It's going to appear in their review section. Let me close it for you guys to see. Good. So you can see my review there. Today I've given one review and somebody can like it, anybody can like it, and you can see. So this girl went there and then she took a picture of everything she bought there, and you can see. Good. So that's how it works on the Google Map, and that's how you write a review on Google Map app. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, kindly do all to like and then subscribe to my channel, and if you are old here, I'll say thank you for visiting us once again. So that's it for the video once again. Peace.